దిస్ ఇస్ శ్రీధర్ కడారి, సీనియర్ జర్నలిస్ట్, మేనేజింగ్ ఎడిటర్ విమీడియా న్యూస్. ఇప్పుడు మనం హైదరాబాద్ మహానగరంలోని కొత్తపేటలో ఉన్నాము. ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ అగ్రసేన్ బ్యాంకు నూతన బ్రాంచ్ ఇనాగ్రేషన్ కార్యక్రమం జరుగుతుంది. దీనికి సంబంధించి అగ్రసేన్ బ్యాంకు సీనియర్ వైస్ చైర్మన్ నవీన్ కుమార్ అగర్వాల్ గారు ఉన్నారు. అగ్రసేన్ బ్యాంకు సాధిస్తున్న విజయాలేంటి, వాటి గొప్పతనం ఏంటి, మరిన్ని వివరాలు తెలుసుకుందాం.
I'm a chartered accountant Naveen Kumar Agarwal, and I'm the senior vice chairman of Agrasen Bank. I'm associated with the bank since last 23 years, and Agrasen Bank is doing very well under the leadership of our chairman Pramod Kumarji Kedia, and we have opened 14th branch today. Our opening of 14th branch is happening, so it's a very big day for us. Our turnover we have reached around 1450 crores, and we have doubled, approximately we have doubled. 40% growth was there during the last year, and it is a massive growth we have witnessed because of opening of 10 branches in the last 1 year time. Around 15 months we have opened 10 branches, so we have done a great job with the support of our shareholders, stakeholders, and all the customers. Our vision is, in the short term we want to achieve 2500 crores turnover, and to open 25 branches in the very short term time. In the next 1 year time or 2 years time, we want to open 25 branches. We have a roadmap, and we have made a plan to overpass Adarsh Bank. We have done that by opening new branches. Like last year we have achieved 40%, and now since opening of the branches have happened, and the working of the branch, now when it will start working, and the results when it start come, so you will see the growth will happen very fast, and when the result will come, we are expecting to become number 1 branch in Telangana, and very soon we will be the number 1 branch. We are expecting that. Our chairman Shri Pramod Kumar Kedia ji is my mentor, he is my guru, and his greatness is his simplicity and his knowledge and dedication towards the work what he has done, and I have been following him, and he is committed to what he has a vision. So the commitment and the work what he has thought about, that is the great thing, and we have seen the results, the turbulence out of which we have come out, and we have achieved a lot under his leadership, and we are witnessing a lot of growth under his leadership. So that is a greatness, and his knowledge, his tremendous leadership, we are witnessing that. This is the 10th branch which is you are witnessing. You have come on the 10th branch. All our 10 branches we have opened this year are all in this corporate fashion. So we are like committed to give the world class interiors facilities to all our customer. If you go to all our 10 branches, you will feel the same thing, and that is the like our thing to all the customers. You will feel the same thing. We want to give competition to all the private sector banks and other banks. So you can go to all our branches, and you will see the same thing with all the best of the facilities and all the best of working facilities also. We are offering all the best deposits, the best rates, and in the loaning also we are giving the best products also. So that is our motto, to give the best facilities to the customers. हमारा मैसेज ये है कि आइए आप अग्रसेन बैंक से जुड़िए. हमारे पास 9% फॉर जनरल पब्लिक है डिपॉजिट के लिए, और 9.5% डिपॉजिट में आपको सीनियर सिटीजन के लिए है. आई डोंट थिंक इट विल बी ऑफर्ड इन एनी अदर बैंक विच वी आर ऑफरिंग. So that is the best thing, and it is the safest deposit where you will be earning the best rate. And recurring deposit, there is a scheme for child where they can like we are having future kids which you can do. फ्यूचर किड स्कीम है जो आप बच्चों के लिए अभी से अगर आप डालेंगे तो उनकी शादी के लिए भी आप अगर कर सकते हैं, वेयर वी आर ऑफरिंग द बेस्ट रेट, या उनकी पढ़ाई के लिए भी जो आजकल की सबसे बड़ी चिंता है पेरेंट्स के लिए. तो अगर डालेंगे तो यू आर गोइंग टू सेव, लाइक अगर हर महीने कुछ पैसा डालेंगे, यू कैन सेव फॉर देयर फ्यूचर, फॉर देयर मैरिज और फॉर देयर education. So we are having those kind of schemes wherein the tension of the parents will be removed. So Agresian Bank is offering that. See, I am trying to give my best knowledge what I am having to the bank so that we can bring the best practices and to bring the best things in the world. जो भी है हम अच्छे से अच्छा क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या अच्छा दे सकते हैं कस्टमर्स को और क्या चल रहा है आजकल. Whatever is happening, the best things which we can offer to the customers so that they can enjoy the products of the bank, they can have the best things and the bank should also be benefited. So that is our motto and that is our criteria. So it should be win-win situation for all of us. That is the thing.